Hey hustlers, welcome back to AI Hustle Hub, where we turn learning into earning. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful AI books that can transform your approach to business and productivity. If you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, these books gives tips on using AI to boost financial success. Let's get started. 1. The AI Entrepreneur Playbook. 25 Ways to Make Money with AI for Beginners. This book lays out 25 practical ways to incorporate AI into new or existing ventures. It explains how AI can be used for automating tasks, optimizing marketing, developing niche products, or even creating entirely new service models. This is a goldmine for beginners who want to start side hustles or even full-time using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and more. It's action-based, not theory. You get step-by-step instructions on how to actually implement each idea without needing technical skills. Link is in the description. 2. AI for Business. The beginner's fast track to ChatGPT for increased productivity, creativity, and business growth. This guide is focused on 50-plus use cases on how to integrate AI tools, like ChatGPT, into everyday business operations to streamline processes. It shows how automation can handle routine tasks, freeing up valuable time. It's super practical. Whether you're a freelancer, solopreneur, or startup founder, you can instantly apply the tricks to boost efficiency and save hours of work. 3. The AI Profit Blueprint, a guide to generating income through artificial intelligence. This book details a variety of ways you can generate income using AI, from developing your own apps and services to leveraging existing platforms for freelance opportunities. Perfect if you're wondering, how can I actually make money from AI, not just learn about it? This book maps out exactly how. Links in the description. 4. Making Money Online with AI. How AI is revolutionizing online ventures. This book focuses specifically on online income methods using AI, like building a Shopify store with AI product research, automating blogs with ChatGPT, or using AI for affiliate marketing. It's focused on real digital business models, not theoretical. Great for creators, marketers, and e-commerce folks. 5. AI Prompt Mastery. Boost creativity, productivity, and automation. This is all about mastering the art of prompt engineering. You'll learn how to write precise prompts for ChatGPT, Bard, Midjourney, etc. to get better content, business plans, ad copy, SEO strategies, or even code. It dives into techniques that maximize the efficiency of AI tools, reducing manual work. The quality of your prompt, the quality of your output. This book teaches you how to unlock AI's full potential for automation and monetization. Links in the description. 6. The AI Productivity Blueprint. 10x your efficiency and reclaim your time. This book helps you build your personal productivity system using AI tools. It explains how to use AI for task management, daily planning, summarizing long content, and more. It covers various AI tools and how to customize them for your specific productivity needs, whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or professional in any field. Great for students, professionals, and creators who want to work smarter, not harder, using AI tools. Earn with AI. Unlock the future of smart income with AI. This book is your complete roadmap to making money using the power of AI. Whether you're a student, side hustler, entrepreneur, or full-time professional, this book shows you how to turn AI into your most profitable business. You'll learn about freelancing with AI, AI in education, AI-powered investing and trading, AI-powered local businesses. If you found these AI books helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and money-making content. Comment below which book you're excited to read. This is AI Hustle Hub, helping you learn, earn, and grow with AI. See you in the next one.